This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Cleanse your face with a gentle wash and pat it dry so the mask adheres. Perform a 24-hour patch test on the inner forearm. This prevents unexpected reactions. Measure 1 teaspoon turmeric and add 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice for oil-prone skin, or swap to 1 teaspoon plain yogurt or honey if you have sensitivity. Stir into a smooth paste. You want spreadable consistency, not runny. Once mixed, apply immediately to avoid oxidation and potency. Once you have a paste, use clean fingers or a brush to apply a thin, even layer. Do not get near eyes, lips, or broken skin. Leave the mask on for 8 to 12 minutes. Check at 5 minutes to ensure no burning occurs. The lemon adds brightening acid, turmeric reduces redness, and oats or honey added to the mix give gentle exfoliation and hydration. Make sure to breathe and relax. Masks longer than 15 minutes increase irritation risk, so set a timer and monitor your skin. When time's up, rinse with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. A soft washcloth helps remove residue, and facial oil or coconut oil removes stubborn yellow stains on skin. Pat dry and apply a lightweight moisturizer. If you use this in the morning, follow with SPF protection because lemon increases sun sensitivity. Use the treatment 1-2 times weekly. If you experience burning or strong redness, rinse immediately, apply aloe vera gel, and discontinue use. Seek medical advice if swelling or prolonged irritation persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.